Good morning, students. In this lecture, we again discuss about models. Next one is must. Must. To express necessity in present. To express necessity in present. Necessity as well as compulsion. That in present time we can use must. For example, I must go now. This sentence shows necessity in present at the time of the speaking. Correct? Then to express necessity in future. For example, I must go by the end of this month. Means the necessity and compulsion is going to express by it that the action must take place in future, in upcoming days. That's why that we can use must. After that, next one is to express strong possibility. Formal possibility note. To express strong possibility that we can use modal must. For example, there must be something wrong. It means in this sentence strong possibilities express. Next one, in emphatic sentence. Emphatic sentence that stress given on the particular action as well as event. For example, you must give up smoking. This is emphatic sentence. In other words, that I can say that I do this. This is a formal sentence. This is affirmative sentence. In other words, that I can say that I do play. This is also again emphatic sentence, but this is in formal way. But in this sentence, the sense is different. Next one is to express moral duty or obligation. Moral duty and obligation as well as responsibility. For example, you must respect your elders. You must respect your elders. Next one is to express respect your elders. Next, to express prohibition. For example, you must obey, या you must follow the rules of road. This is also prohibition, that you also going to prohibit it in the permanent situation. In this way, that we can use a modal must. These are the particular uses of a must. Next one that we will discuss in next class. Thanks and have a nice day.